coast of Kamchatka in Russia, Far East on Saturday. Tsunami warning center said hazardous waves were possible along coast within 300 kilometers. Let's see that map. So I cannot see this stuff. Some of the sites I cannot see because I cannot update my this device. Let's see here if you have it. Even it is 300 kilometers, 7.4. Actually, it might deliver a tsunami. You know that region have been active, and I talked about this possible earthquake after the blood moon because, and I told in my previous video, please watch my previous video, I predicted an earthquake because of the earth, because of the blood moon. It will affect 1 month after the blood moon. It will affect. So let's see what happened. I got the information here. You see it here. It is 55 minutes. So I was sleeping. I waked up and checked this one. And 7.4 is a biggie. And of course, we will have aftershocks. And uh, I've been watching here actually. And I talked about this one in the sky. And I talked about the planet that they said it is as big as Jupiter that entered our solar system, and it was MSM. Sorry for the advertisement. It was MSM, and uh, just like one side, and it was over. Not many talked about it. While watching this one here, and I use this thingy. I have picture of spaceship of King Anu, but let's see if we can see here stuff. You see here we see two stuff here, two objects, but rather this one, no time in space, and let's see if we can make it big. So here we can make it bigger, then we can use this lens. Okay, yeah, make it bigger and use this lens. And this is very shiny here. And this is a movement, people. So no time in space. That's why it's some kind of movement we cannot see. Of course, like I said, I'm not Einstein, but this stuff being like here went up. So this is a here, and this is no time in space. We see the path of this stuff. Let's go back to the earthquake that hit. So let's read. This is a Hindu. Magnitude 7.4. Shrink the screen a little bit. 7.4. We will make this video very short. I have picture spaceship of King Anu. I will show it. But I want to make this video very short. Like I said, magnitude 7.4 earthquakes strikes of Russian Far East tsunami warning issue. Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said hazardous waves were possible along coast within 300 kilometers of the quake epicenter, 186 miles. So this is Kamchatka, and 300 may affect the region here nearby. Possible it will. So let's take a look at the Kamchatka, Russia. Let's take a look at the earthquake, other earthquake sites. So I have this one. I usually use this one, and let's see if we can get the map. So we can see here we have a map. You see here, this is a big one, And when they say 300, that's why they put this region is under tsunami warning. Uh, Maybe it will reach Japan and even Alaska. This region have been hit multiple times this year with many earthquakes in this region. And you see here. So the new this one is 7.4 September 13, and let's see if we can get all the earthquakes that been hitting that region. I guess not. So I don't know. It went down the whole site. Let's see if I have new earthquake detected. Let's see if I had other websites showing this earthquake. I have EMSQ, also a good one. I usually watch this one. So 7.4 people is a warning for tsunami. Uh, we should wait and see. I talked about some kind of effect because of the blood moon 3 days ago, and it affect the. So here you have it. Also 7.4 near coast Kamashtaka. You see, this is the one here. I get also another one here. It is called earthquake track, and it is also good. Track.com. Let's see if we have this one is good as well. You see here, people, 7.4 uh, Petropavlovsk Kamashtaka in Russia. 7.4. So we have Spaceship of King Anu. We're gonna show it. Not many pictures. One sighting. Uh, it was at night. Here you have it. I have a movie also for you. So you have seen these ones, of course. And this one, this picture. So I take another picture here. Maybe this one is good. You see how it's changing? 1 second and like 1 hour, you see it here, and the other hour you see it here. So this is one and the same, although it's looking two. So we take this one, this picture, and we need to have the lamp under. And here we go. And yeah, let's take some pictures here. Let's show you some. I will show you some pictures. This is tonight, 12th of September, 10 p.m. Almost 10 p.m. Here it goes about the building. I made it big for you. Here you have it. Goes like that. Goes like that. Not many pictures, like I said, and sorry, I don't want a reflection because it's dark and stuff like that. And this one is a good one. So this one we will put on the thumbnail. Thanks God we have a good one. We're gonna take out the reflection and the dust, and then we're gonna use this one on the thumbnail. Hold on. Here it counts. That's a big one. That's a nice picture, actually. You see the details of the spaceship here, and you see this stuff here above it. So we're gonna take the picture and put on thumbnail. So this spaceship Okeanu, of course, always with us. Not to be afraid. Talked about the new heaven and new earth coming. Do not be afraid. You need to trust your Father, our Father in heaven. He will deliver us if we believe, and He will deliver the new heaven and new earth. For this place is out of date. According to the Holy Bible, it will not last because of the evil ongoing in the world. We cannot stop it. Talked about the Galactic Federation and these entities ruling us. We cannot resist the devil. We can resist the devil, but we cannot defeat the devil. It's not our job to defeat the devil. It is our job to resist the devil. This is a big difference. But we need to resist. We cannot allow the devil to rule us and deceive us, because we can all be deceived. The devil cannot hurt us because our Father in heaven, Uranos, Anu, King Anu, the Most High, is always with us every second. He will protect us. And people really need to look, take a look at the sky and see what's going on. Spaceship of King Anu. See how it's doing. See the stuff, people. See what it is. So I got one picture. I'm very happy for. I'm gonna put it on the thumbnail. And I have a video, but I'm not gonna show it. I'm gonna. It stands in the air and it goes around. I'm not. I don't know. I'm gonna show it. Maybe I'm gonna show it a little bit. Now I talked about it. It's rather long video, but I don't wanna just make this video long. But I'm gonna take a look a little bit. Let's see if we get here. This is the video. It's 5 minutes. I'm not gonna show it. I'm rather tired. See here. I'm gonna hold my hand. So this is Spaceship of King. And of course, this is the continue the sighting. Try to make it stand up. So here you have it. See where I'm putting my finger, standing in the air, of course, and stand in the air for a long, long time in one place. So no airplane, helicopter can do that. No drone, no helicopter, no airplane can do this stuff. You see, this is the city here, and it's here in the air. And here I zoom in. See how it's doing. Yeah, 7.4. We had an 8 point something this year also, for months ago, 2 months ago. We had several 7 point this year, and an increase in earthquake activity is actually noticeable. So this will continue, and of course we are expecting aftershocks in that region that's been active for a long time now. And of course it is connected to Alaska, and Alaska also been active. Western side of Alaska between Alaska and Kamchatka in Russia. See, this is still staying in the air, people. This spaceship of the Most High, King Anu, all praise to the Most High, Creator of life, the one who provides. All people should be aware of our Father in heaven, the loving God, the real God, the life, the living God, the God who provides life, eternal life. You believe in King Anu, you do not die. So I'm saying, so if you love life, you like to live forever, I guess. And this is, you will live forever if you believe in King Anu, Father of Jesus Christ, Uranos. See how it's doing now? See how it's doing, people? And now it's turning back. Well, now it's moving. See how I've been staying in air for a long time in one position and it went back. It's going back. It's going back. So see where it is. It will disappear in the air very soon. And we still see it here. Still see it here. And if you don't follow, you will miss. And it disappeared. See, people disappeared. And I went to the 7.4. Actually, here it is. Would be a biggie, but because we had other like 8 and didn't deliver in tsunami, so most people will not take this information. Um, like they will not be alerted because we had 8 and didn't deliver a tsunami, but it depends on the depth and other stuff. I don't know about it, but here it disappears. People, you don't see it anymore. See how it disappeared? Last we see it here. Try to see when it disappears in the middle of the air. Here it disappeared. Oh, you still here? See it here? Here it disappears. Oh, still here. So disappeared, still here. Still here. So this is a building. It went behind a building maybe, but maybe disappeared before that. Yeah, so that was all from the sighting. So I went here to show you the time, the date. You see 22, 12 September. And of course, this was live, and we saw the city beneath. And yeah, it stayed in the air for a long time in one position. This is a repeat, of course, just to show you here how it is doing. So yeah, that was amazing footage to see a spaceship of God on live. It is very, very amazing experience, and it is available for anybody who believes. They feel the connection, and this is what we do. We are connected to survive this evil society, evil world we are living in. Why it is evil? Because people are blind, they are not receiving the love of our Father. They are not receiving, they are engulfed in blood, shedding, and horrible atrocities. So, this is why we live to choose between evil and good. This is why we have life. And it seems most people have chosen the evil. And this is very bad because are the salt of the earth, and what do we have value if we lose the saltness? Even earth does not have a value because those who living on earth, they don't have salt. They are lost the salt, and without the salt, there's no need for earth to continue. So we are out of date, people. That's what I'm saying. Need to stop the evilness ongoing in the world before it is too late. So yeah, here it is. So I'm showing it 2 times in case you didn't see it first time. So now it's 20 minutes. And let's go back to the earthquake here, 7.4. So let's see if we have any more news. That's why I was showing this site times to see if we have more news about this one. Of course, somebody on YouTube is doing this live broadcast. So let's see Yahoo. Tsunami threat issued. This is independent, sorry. Tsunami threat issued as magnitude 7.4 earthquake rocks Russia east coast of Kamchatka. Magnitude 7 point, magnitude 7.1. So they have taken down it. So 7.4 here, it's 7.1. I don't know which is which. A tsunami warning has been issued east coast of Russia Kamchatka. The quake comes days after the massive 8.8. This is the one I was talking about. Earthquake in the same region. The sixth earthquake ever recorded hit the region. So 8.8 this year was the sixth strongest ever in that region. This is tsunami warning has been issued. More to follow. So this is a developing story. And this is another one here. Hopefully somebody is showing the map to know where it's about to spread in case we have a tsunami, which I believe very possible. Let's see how this is working. Danger tsunami wave 0.3, 1 meter to 1 meter. So maybe you have 0.3 to 1 meter above tide level. Possible for Russia. And if it was going very, very hard, like 8.8, California should be alerted. This is a developing story. So if we have more earthquakes of that size, California should be awaited. And I am very afraid for British Columbia people because uh, I feel like a tsunami will hit that region. This is my own belief. British Columbia, uh, that is Canada, that is America. So I don't know when or how, but something will affect that region, Western USA, British Columbia, near the border with Canada. Be very alerted in case a tsunami is about to happen. So I rather do not believe it is limited to this area. In case a tsunami is delivered, it is affected by other, not by the earthquake strength only. but of other reasons with the magnetic forces from the incoming and other stuff. So do not downplay this earthquake. Do not downplay a tsunami that will hit Western USA between Canada and America, North and Western America. Very, very sensitive area because this earthquake will affect and the other regions nearby, and aftershocks are expected. I will make another video in case we have more details or a tsunami is delivered. So stay tuned. Blessings.